This artificial intelligence bot generated a 500-word YouTube script for me in 5 seconds. All I had to do was type the magic words. And voila, a fully ready-made YouTube script. The segment I'm about to show you is just me narrating and editing over what the bot wrote in 3, 2, 1. Welcome to our YouTube video on ChatGPT. In this video, we'll be discussing what ChatGPT is, how it works, and some of the potential applications and limitations of this technology. So, what is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a variant of the popular GPT-3 language model developed by OpenAI. It's specifically designed for generating human-like text in real-time chat environments, such as online messaging platforms or virtual assistants. One of the key features of ChatGPT is its ability to generate text that is coherent, contextually appropriate, and reasonably engaging. This is achieved through the use of large amounts of data and a powerful machine learning algorithm that is trained to recognize patterns in language and generate responses based on those patterns. So how does ChatGPT work? At a high level, ChatGPT works by processing input text and generating a response based on that input. It does this by using a combination of machine learning algorithms and a large dataset of human-generated text. The process starts with the input text being fed into the ChatGPT model. The model then analyzes the input and uses its knowledge of language patterns to generate a response. This response is then outputted to the user. One of the key strengths of ChatGPT is its ability to generate responses that are contextually appropriate and coherent. This is especially useful in chat environments, when the conversation may be more spontaneous and there may not be a clear script to follow. Now, let's talk about some of the potential applications and limitations of ChatGPT. One of the potential applications of ChatGPT is in virtual assistants or chatbots. By using ChatGPT, these systems can generate more natural and human-like responses to user inquiries, making them effective and user-friendly. Another potential application is in customer service environments, where ChatGPT can be used to generate responses to common customer inquiries or complaints. This can help improve the efficiency of customer service teams and reduce the workload on individual employees. However, it is important to note that ChatGPT is not a perfect solution and there are limitations to what it can do. One limitation is that ChatGPT is not capable of understanding the underlying meaning or intent of the input text. It can only generate responses based on the patterns it has learned from its training data. This means that ChatGPT may not be able to properly handle situations where the input text is ambiguous or difficult to interpret. It may also struggle with tasks that require a deep understanding of that topic at hand, such as answering complex technical questions or providing detailed explanations of complex concepts. Overall, ChatGPT is a powerful tool for generating human-like text in real-time chat environments. While it has some limitations, it has the potential to improve the effectiveness and efficiency of virtual assistants, customer service systems, and other chat-based applications. We hope you enjoyed this video on ChatGPT. If you have any further questions or want to learn more about this technology, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.